Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can block someone's call on your phone. This helps those who gets calls from people they don't like. So today I'm going to teach you how you can permanently end the problem. It's simple, simply start by opening phone. Then as you can see here are all my call logs, so let's try blocking one of this contacts. So for example let's simply click on it. After click on this right button, then as you can see here are all your history of calls, so simply click on this button beneath that saying block. And now as you can see your contact has been blocked, and from now on you won't be getting calls from him. Also you can come back unblock him. So now your contact has been unblocked. So thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.